朋友们，大家好 ！Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
Today we are making Crab Cheese Wontons, also known as Crab Rangoon. This is the perfect appetizer that everyone will like. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started.
Here all the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box. I am using this brand of Wonton Wrapper. You can buy it at any Chinese market.
Let's start by cutting the green onion into small pieces. Then lightly twist the crab meat and mince it. Now let's make the fillings. Add the cream cheese, imitation crab, green onion, sugar, garlic powder, and white pepper. Mix everything well. Time to make the wonton. Add about 1 tablespoon filling into the wrapper and fold the edges to the middle. Now press down to seal the edges. Another way to fold the wonton is to fold it in half. Then while pinching the middle, you push the sides in. This is easier to do, but it just takes a little more time. Heat up some frying oil. Heat it up to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Or use wood or bamboo chopstick to test the oil. If it's bubbling, then it's hot enough. Now fry the wonton in the oil. Make sure the oil isn't too hot, or it will burn the wonton. When it's golden brown, it's done.
Wow, looks good! Time for taste test! Wow, so crunchy. Do you hear it? Very delicious. It's very creamy and crispy. So fragrant, very delicious. So good with sweet and sour sauce. I will link my recipe. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。